Good day. Today we're going to install the new airbox from DNA. It should improve the horsepower and of course also the sound. So let's dive in. So first we need to remove some parts. We're going to start with the seat. So I have a first person view because I think should be interesting. Oh. I think this should be enough. I don't need to remove the whole beak. So these are the stage 2 air filters, so this should improve torque and of course also the horsepower with around 5 horsepower or something like that. Maybe it's good to let you hear the difference in sound, because now I have the normal air filter on. So let me put that back and let me show you the sound with the original air filter, because the horsepower changes but also the sound changes, which I really like, and the performance and the filtration and that kind of stuff. I will explain you later what the difference is between these and originals. Of course, originals are not reusable. This one is. You can easily clean it and re-oil it. But also the efficiency is much better, and yeah, just overall a really good upgrade for your bike. And if you love your bike like I do, it's a really nice addition. Of course, it's around 5 extra horsepower or something like that, so that's pretty substantial. And as I said, it should also change the intake sound. So let me check how that is. So let's check it now with the new intake. The only thing you reuse is this surround. That's it, pretty easy. Oops. Should also increase the throttle response, so I'm quite curious how that translates to the real world. So that's it for the installation of the DNA air filter. Absolutely awesome sound. I'm really excited. So I will do some overview shots and tell you about the pros of this beautiful upgrade to my R1300GS. So back on the bike, yeah, absolutely awesome. I really like the upgrade. As I said, installation was pretty simple, and apart from the sound, this should really improve the throttle response, which it does, and it should also really improve the horsepower. So it should add between 3 and 5 horsepower to the already a lot. I think we have 146 horsepower normally, so we're pushing 150 right now. And yeah, it's just better for the engine. The engine can breathe a lot more. And I've had a really extensive conversation with DNA themselves, and they said to me that, yeah, if you compare it to like the traditional foam filters or something like that, they're not as well insulated as this one, but also this one gives more air filtration than the traditional or the other air filters. So yeah, it is a pretty expensive upgrade, but you know, you get a lot for it. You get better sound, better throttle response, more horsepower, more torque, and of course you can add that to the list of mods and things that you've done to your already expensive. Oh, well, listen to that. And I think if I put it in dynamic mode, it even sounds, let's see. Oh man, this bike was awesome already, but now it's it's even better. I can highly recommend this upgrade. I said, pretty expensive upgrade, but you get a lot for it, and I think this is the easiest and quickest way to tune your bike a little bit, and not too much, not get a loud exhaust without a decat, but you do get the experience of, okay, I have a different bike than original, and oh yeah, it gives a little bit of a growl or something. Yeah, I really like it. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you have any questions about the DNA air filter, please let me know in the comments, and I will try to answer that as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye. If you want to see my newest video, tap here. If you want to see my recommended video for you, tap here. And if you want to subscribe, tap here. Thanks for watching. Tap here, or tap here.